Hey, it's VJ from the Whitby garage sale. Well, I sold a VHS DVD combination player to this woman tonight, and she was the most condescending, obnoxious people I've ever met in my life. And I'm hoping that the unit fails right away, just because she wasn't very nice, and expecting a brand new unit for next to nothing. And all I can say for people like this, if you're hesitant about buying used goods, not willing to take a chance, then go buy new. Go pay full retail. But anyways, I got her money, and she got my used goods, and so it was a happy ending for me. And I'm hoping this obnoxious person. I hope that the guarantee runs out as of tonight on our used goods.